Hello peeps and welcome back to the Age of Engineering. You might notice things look a little different in here. I'm rearranging some stuff. So let's go ahead and break all of this up. I figure it's time to go through and rearrange all of this since I'm about to antiquate some of my IC2 stuff. May as well go ahead and just reset it all. I definitely will need the metal former, so we're going to put him there. I will want the block cutting machine, for sure. So he's going to go here. And blade can go back in him. I notice I'm out of power again. Is it dark out? No, it's not. Why am I out of power? That has power. Oh, derp. This would help. Get my generators back out too. And you can go there. Need a little cobble, I think. Just to fill in. There we go. Let's see, next to the block cutting machine, I'm going to put the extractor because we're still going to need it. Not the electric furnace. We'll put the compressor next, sure, why not? Then we're going to want the extractor next. And I'm going to put the macerator next. Because I may still occasionally use the macerator. Now, this is where things are going to get a little weird. Because this electric furnace, I'm going to want to upgrade it. Let's see, do I have any more? Do I have any advanced alloy? I should have some advanced alloy. I've got plenty of carbon plate, and I know I made a ton of advanced alloy. Did I put it in metals? I did. And steel. I'm going to need 4 steel. Oh, I've got 5 steel plates right here. And I'm going to need some copper. So let's grab a handful of that. Okay, and we need... Oh, I need some iron too. There we go. Now I think I'm ready. So, we're going to start off with iron plate. To make the basic machine casing, which we're then going to upgrade into an advanced machine casing. That, plus my electric furnace, plus 7 copper ingots, gives me an induction furnace. Hyperspeed. Contrary to popular belief, this can run perfectly well on low voltage. It doesn't have to have high voltage. Now, this is one of those situations where this block is best run with a constant supply of heat, which means it needs a constant redstone signal. So, do I have any levers? I don't. Why are sticks in here? So we'll get a lever, and let's figure out where exactly this peeks through. Right here. We flip that. This is now going to be constantly using about 1 EU per tick. But it will start heating up and it will stay heated, which is an important thing. Because that means that it will always be running at full temperature. It's exactly what we want. The 2 generators that I had, I'm going to put over here instead, because I still want those for backup power. But this is where things are going to change. Because I shouldn't need any more IC2 machines for the moment. I will eventually, and I'll probably end up just upgrading some stuff then. But, let's see, pavers become bricks? No, pavers become tiles. That becomes bricks. This is bricks, right? Yes, it's bricks. There, we'll do that. Now, we're going to go get that crusher. Tech mod items. Crusher. There you are. What's it take to make the double crusher? An advanced coil, an iron casing, and another crusher. The advanced coils are gold around basic. That's actually not that hard. I might want to upgrade this to a double crusher. So I would need 16, which means I need 4 gold ingots. Run through the extruder. Because each one of these should give me 4. I'm going to need 4 more of you. I'm going to need 8 more of you. Actually, no, I need 16 more of you and I need 8 more of you. Do I have enough steel? 5, 6, 7. I think I have exactly enough steel for this. So as soon as this is done, I need to start sending some steel through. Unfortunately, I don't have enough to make a block. So I can't do it the easy way. Toss that steel in there, and as soon as these 2 process, we'll toss the other 5 in, and we'll let that start going. Come on, hurry up. I got stuff to do. There. Okay. Let's come over here. Actually, let's go back here and get my Restonia crystals. Whatever the hell I did with them. Did I put them in with... Yeah, I put them in here. And we'll need some more of that. So, to make the crusher, I needed... Well, I need flint and cobblestone, too. Alright. To make the crusher, I needed 2 basic coils. So, there's my 2 basic coils. To make the advanced crusher, I will need 2 advanced coils on top of that. This should give me the advanced coil. Now I just need my machine blocks, which I should be about done in here. Yep. Do I have enough? I don't have enough advanced alloy. So I'll need to do... I don't have any iron. I don't have enough iron plates, so I'll have to do some iron too. Inventory is already a problem. Toss that stuff in. What else do I need? I don't need the basalt pavers. Don't need this hardened clay. I don't need the nether brick. I don't need the glass. I do need 3 tin, 3 iron. So we'll start with the bronze here. And in here, we're going to make 2 machine blocks. One of these machine blocks we're going to upgrade right away. There we go. And we may as well leave the partial recipe in here because we're going to be upgrading this other one very shortly. Throw the tin in there. I think I'm just going to get a total of 9 of these to make a machine, or to make a... Damn it. I'm always running out of crafting tables, so I'm just going to put another one here. I'll just put it right there. That'll work. And we'll do that. We'll toss that in the block cutting machine. We'll let that cut up. And there we go. 9 iron plates. Iron, bronze, tin for mixed metal, and into the compressor you go. So, what I want to do is, I'm going to put the crusher right here. I'm going to make it a double crusher. I'm going to put it right there. This is heating up nicely. How are we doing on power? I'm actually losing power, but that's because it's night. If I were to go sleep, I should have a net gain in power. Even without running coal in the thing, I should have a net gain. We'll get to that in a minute. Oh yeah, we have a net gain. That's good. There's my advanced alloy. And boom. Oh, that's right. Advanced machine casings need to become iron casings. And you. And you. Double crusher. You are going to go right here. Actually, no. You're not going to go right there. You're going to go right here. For reasons I will get to in a little bit. Now, there's something else I want to do in here. This candelabra is awesome looking, but it's also in the way. As is this one. Because I'm probably going to want to put more stuff in here. I'm actually going to punch through this wall. Maybe. I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm going to punch through this wall right here. Now, why did I do that? Because this is where I'm going to put my blast furnace. This is going to make things awfully tight in here. Oops. Give me that. You. And you. And do I have my hammer? No. This is going to make things really tight in here. And I'm probably going to want to put a couple more drawers here to disguise this. So I actually made this a little bit too tight for what I want to do. But if I right click on this, that's going to produce my improved blast furnace. And I'm going to have just enough room on the sides here to do some work. Now, I'm probably going to want to take the ceiling up. So, we'll take the ceiling up 1 block. For right now, I'm just going to take the ceiling completely out. And I will definitely want to put some blocks behind this to disguise it. Because otherwise you'll be able to just see right through it. And it's going to drive me nuts. The chests might not be so bad, but especially once I get the other things in there. Now the other things, this might actually become a problem because I don't think I have enough iron to do the sheet metal. I don't know. Anyway, let's not worry about that for the moment. Let's worry about the other thing that I have set up over there. Actually, what does it take for the preheaters? Iron sheet metal, which is 4 plates to get 4. How many do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need 14. I need to do this 4 times, so I need 16 plates. I have 6. I'm gonna need more iron. Very soon. But if I play my cards right, I should be able to do this. I should have just about enough to do this. There's one more plate. And there's some more. I know I'm going to need a copper. And I'm going to need copper plates. So we're going to go ahead and get those. And let's do the sheet metal. That gets me 16 iron sheet metal. The external heater is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I need 2 Inori crystals, so I need 10 iron total. There's my Inori crystals. And I'm also going to need, in here, do I have? I don't have. I do have sticks though, so let's do 2 sticks and a piece of iron to get engineer's wire cutters. And we'll use the engineer's wire cutters to cut up these plates and get some copper wire. That's not going to be enough, so let's go ahead and get another block going. Actually, let's go for 2, because I'm going to need some wire here shortly anyway. Well, actually, yeah, we'll go for like a stack of it. I'm going to need a lot of wire very soon, like imminently. I'm also going to need some steel. I think I've used pretty much all of my steel. I've used all of my steel. So I'm going to need 3 of it, at least. So let's go ahead and toss half of my remaining iron in with my coal coke. This might be enough to do what I need to do. Let's get some sticks. And you. To get you. To get you. To get you. My blast furnace preheaters. There we go. Those are set up. These, however, need power. And I don't currently have a way to get power into them, do I? Or this. That is what I'm going to be working on now. So, over here, I have this little building that I set up off camera. It's nothing special. This is just a place for my HV capacitor to live. Let's go ahead and start getting some LV wiring in place. For that, we're going to need some LV wire connectors, which is hardened clay, copper, and Redstonia crystals. We're also going to need some LV wire relays, which is just those parts. So, let's grab some copper. Let's grab our hardened clay. And let's get to work. We're going to start off with this. I'm going to do 4 sets of these. Actually, no, I'm going to do 6 sets of these. That'll get me 12 of these. And that'll get me 8 wire relays, and that'll save a little bit in case I need some hardened clay for something else. By now I should have more plates, which I do. Grab a bit more wood. Just make a bunch of sticks out of this. We'll cut these into plates, or into wires rather. And that's going to make us a bunch of LV wire, which is awesome. So now I need a way to actually get power into that thing. We're going to do this a couple of different ways. First, we're going to take this peat-fired engine that I made. Peat is not the best power source, but it is fairly reliable, and peat is relatively slow burning. So we're going to pop him down here. On the front of him, we're going to do... Actually, I need to... Let's see. Blue is receive. So we're going to do an LV wire connector there. One there. And we're going to wire these up. Like that. Birds on a wire. Let's go ahead and get that burning. Mod items, right? Or did I have it under plants? Miscellaneous? I didn't have it under ingots, did I? Where's the peat? Still in my backpack. Okay, whatever. Let's go get the other peat. There we go. Lots of peat. I'm pretty sure this is going to require a redstone signal in order to start this peat-fired engine up. Can I rotate this thing? I don't like it sitting the way it's sitting. Kind of want it sitting up. So I'm going to put down a piece of cobblestone. I'm going to attach the connector to the top of that. And can I break the cobble without... No, I can't. Damn. If I stand here and jump, will it place the peat-fired engine pointing up? No. What about if I face this way? Now it's facing towards me. Okay. How about like this? That's more acceptable. That's a bit better, yeah. Okay, let's toss our peat in. And this does require a redstone signal. So, lever. Pop that down and start it up. That's going to generate 20 RF a tick. So we're now building up RF in here at a pretty decent rate. Next, we're going to go grab our survivalist generator. We're going to put him in there. This thing only produces 5, but it produces over such a long period of time that it's really a great energy source for the early game. If you don't need power like ASAP, this is the way to go. Cannot attach this wire here. Okay. Need a relay. Oops, didn't mean to do that. So let's attach you to you. No. That is not what I meant to do. Give it. You. To you. You. To you. You. To you. That's good. This leaves me plenty of room to upgrade too, so I'm happy with that. Now, on top of here, if I put down some basalt bricks to be able to climb, if I come on top of here, A, it's really freaking dark, because I never lit it. B, I'm missing a block, because I'm an idiot and carved one out. But C, we'll see that this has a connector on top. We're going to change it to that. And we're going to put an LV wire connector on here. Now, I need to get it over there. We're going to do this by means of a relay over here. Yeah, that should be fine. If I have to, I'll send wires over that way. And I'm going to need a post. We're just going to use a wooden post for now, which is treated wood fences and stone bricks. Treated wood fences, easy. Is it like this? Yeah. We're probably going to want a couple of these. And in building blocks, I need stone brick. Right there. There we go, wooden posts. We're going to place a wooden post right there. We're going to, let's see, how does that, yeah, like that. Good. I need to get on top of there, but first we're going to attach the wire. So we're going to run an LV coil from there to there, and from there to there. Now from there, we're going to run one to there. So let's see about getting on top of that. And where do we want to run this thing to? I think I'm going to put let's go ahead and get our marble back out. We're going to run it to a relay that is going to live. I don't like having this open, but I don't have much choice, I don't think. Well, I do have a choice. I could put an LV capacitor in here in the roof. I think that's what I'm going to do. And then I'll come through and I'll fix the roof later. Damn it, give it. Yeah, I'll fix the roof awning later. And right here, I'm going to drill a hole in, because this is where I'm going to put my next capacitor. We should just need an LV for this one. So, that is a block of Rhistonia. Iron, copper, lead. One of you. Am I out of iron? Am I totally out of iron? Totally out of iron. Ugh. Hate this. Yeah, totally out of iron. Can I convert this iron sheet metal back? Yes, at the rate of 1 per. Well, nothing for it. I'm just going to have to go get a little bit of iron real quick. Pretty sure there's some right down here. There we go. We'll just teleport back to home. And I'm going to go ahead and macerate this real quick. No. Not there. I need one there. Then I need one there. And I need one there. Now, I think I might actually need this capacitor to live right here, though. So, in the macerator... Damn it, come on. Let's toss this 8 iron. Isn't that nice? I'm actually only going to macerate 2 pieces. Is there a spider on my roof? Is it hostile? No, he's not hostile. He's just kind of hanging out. Okay. That should give me enough for the capacitor. Capacitor, get. We're going to put him in the roof. Right there. We're going to set his output side to the bottom. We're going to put an LV wire connector there. We're going to attach you to you. Actually, no. It's not going to work. Let's break that. Put you up there. Let's go ahead and put this marble back up there, because we're going to put a relay right there. And you to you, you to you, you to you, and you to you. Back over to here. We ascend. We put a torch back down. Get one of our connectors back out of the backpack since they are all ending up in here. connector, coil, 2, relay. That should, in theory, allow us to start powering those machines in there. So if I come in here, oh yeah, oh yeah, now we got power. I'm not sure how I feel about having that on the top. I might actually want that on the side. I do want that on the side. There we go. When this thing is processing now, by the way, these things will draw a small amount of RF in order to do some real good work for me. Let's go ahead and toss our iron ore in there. And this is going to process up much faster than a macerator. It also gives me a small chance of extra outputs. See? Gold dust. Now, in order to get the stuff out of there, we're going to use transfer node. And then here, I'm going to get one of these. We're going to connect you, right there, to run into the top of this. Good. You are going to be configured to the west side. We're going to put you in there. And, oh crap, how am I going to do that? I have to wonder if I can't put this into the side or if it is actually eye-sided. Let's find out. We'll just toss a piece of iron in there and let it crush. We'll see where it goes. Oh yeah, it works. Okay. So this thing we can set to output to the top. Put that there. Get ourselves a chest. And bam! Ore processing at speed. Nice. Alright. Let me put some stuff away here. And you need to go away. That should probably go in there. And slag probably shouldn't be in here. Why do I have crushed uranium ore? Oh well, I must have screwed up at some point. We'll put the rest of the wire relays and the wire treated sticks. We'll put the other wooden posts in there since I didn't use them yet. Slag, the glass fiber, the wrench, the extra transfer stuff. Let's pull all this stuff out. You and you and you. You're more of a miscellaneous. Or no, you're more of a building block. So put you in there, along with you and you. Put the dirt away. Marble. Hopper is a tech item. Chests are miscellaneous. So is the bucket. Wire cutters and the hammer are tools. Yeah, that's going to drive me nuts if I don't fix it, so I'll probably put a couple more drawers in here just to cover this up, make it look a little better. But for right now, that's going to spell at the end of this episode. So, thank you guys for watching. This has been Night Dagger with episode I can't remember of... How are we on here? Nice. Episode I can't remember of Age of Engineering. Man, that's really going to bother me until I fix it. Anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying the series so far. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you later, peeps.